Hello everyone, my name is Dima, and in this video I want to show you how we can create WhatsApp bot with Yclients integration. And first of all, open Wahelp's website on the www.wahelp.me. And now you should create your own account if you haven't got it yet. So write your name, email, phone number with WhatsApp. You can generate or create a new password as you wish, confirm password, and write a special code if you have it. And after this, you will get the message in WhatsApp that registration was completed successfully. And then we can log in. So I have already created my own account, and now I will use my own data. Okay, now we should create a new project. So press the button with plus sign. Write a project name in this area, for example, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your legal name, and choose integration Yclients standard. So press continue. On the second page, choose your time zone. For example, Atlantic time. And now you need to paste the link to online appointment, which is located on the Yclients account. So go to the Yclients account, open settings, and then website. We should copy this link and paste here. Also, you have hints which help you with project creating. And now we need a branch number. We can find it in the Yclients too. So open overview and summary. Copy this number and paste here, and write your branch address, for example, Park Avenue 88 and 3, and press the continue button. Right. On the step 3, we should afford access rights. It needs to our staff because they will configure your project. And the second reason, because WhatsApp bot will be working with client appointments, and it's allowed to send notification to clients. For doing step 3, we have to go to the Yclients account, open the settings, and then open users list. And now we should send an invitation to our service. Press this button. In the username area, we write our service name, for example, Wahelp, and email, support, email, whatbot. .ru, and press the button to invite. Right, and now we should set our access rights. On the appointment calendar, we give all the rights, booking window, all the rights, settings, all the rights, client database, all the rights, besides remove clients and upload a list of clients. loyalty, give all the rights, and online booking, all the rights. And now we can press the save button. So our access rights was successfully set, and now we are going to the next step. Let's go back to the help account. Press the continue button here, and at this moment wait for a while. So our project has successfully created, and you will get the message in a WhatsApp. Let's check it. Right, the message was delivered, and let's read it. Your project, test12345, was created, and your trial period will end it on 17/20, on the 16th of October on 2021, because we give a trial period for 3 days. And if you have some questions or difficulties, you can ask for help. Technical support in case if you use our service and have any questions, or sales department in case if you have some questions about our products. So that's all. Your WhatsApp integration with Yclients was completed, and thank you for attention and have a nice day.